Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Wednesday, May the 30th, 2018, and today in our Tech News Update, we have Microsoft that has actually passed Alphabet, that is the parent company of Google, in market value. It is now the third highest valued company in the world. It's worth $753 billion of market share cap, and basically it is number 3. The top two, of course, Apple at number 1 spot, and Amazon is second. Shows how Microsoft under Satya Nadella is actually really performing well, and the company is really taking a lot of value. Google Chrome 67 has been released with some new features and improvements, also some security updates. Only for the security updates already you should upgrade to version 67. And if you wish to know more about it, I'll be talking about it today, and a little review I'll be doing. And of course, it's available for Mac, Windows, and Linux. If you're using Microsoft Edge on your iPhone or iPad, and I wonder exactly how many people are really, you now have support for ebooks. Yep, this feature has been added, and of course, as we move ahead, they are adding more and more features to these different the Microsoft Edge browser. And actually, you know, the electronic book reading capability of Edge is actually really good. Telegram, the Russian messaging app, is banned from the Russian territory. The reason why is because it refused to share its encryption key so that the Russian government can snoop on users. Well, the disruption and the ban actually impacted about 25 to 30% of Telegram users. Now, Russia, in an effort to actually make it more effective, is asking Apple to remove Telegram from its App Store. So, no news yet as to what's going to happen, but usually Apple does what they want. Well, we all watched in amazement as a man saved a child by climbing a building in France last weekend. Well, now we learned that the reason why the child was unattended is because the father went to the grocery store and took more time to come back because he decided to play Pokemon Go, apparently. So, you know, sometimes you gotta think before you do things. According to Gartner, Microsoft really needs to change the support time of each version of Windows 10. The reason why is many businesses are not happy with the 18-month rollout, and pretty much everyone wishes that it actually has moved to at least 2 years for each version, as businesses need more time to adapt to the latest versions. Are you sick when you actually experience VR? I am. I can't really experience it more than 5 or 10 minutes before I start to get nauseous. Well, one of the biggest problems is that for a lot of people, and it actually prevents a lot of people from actually using the devices. Well, LG says that it might have found a way to actually improve this by using AI that will help the images in the VR headsets to adapt differently from person to person, meaning that maybe you'll be able to wear one and not barf at the end at some point. Well, the Yahoo hack, or 500 million accounts of Yahoo hack, that comes from a man called Karim Baratov. He's Canadian, and of course he had been arrested because he was behind one of the major leaks of data of Yahoo. Well, he's now been sentenced in California to a $250,000 fine and 5 years in jail. The judge said the sentence reflects how serious the issue is. So I guess it's not a good idea. Of course, the man is also apparently helping out, or was helping out, Russian government kind of hack into email services. The FCC is asking Amazon and eBay to crack down on illegal pirate TV boxes that are sold by some online stores. Although Amazon has already started the fight because it actually has content that can be pirated in there, eBay is another story. It's kind of complicated, and to add to the insult, many of the boxes actually illegally use a FCC logo approval on them. So I guess we'll see what's going to happen. Well, if you're not happy with self-driving cars and hope that they never hit the road, one of the things that you might be surprised to see is that without even knowing it, before you know it, you'll have self-driving trucks transporting your merchandise that you buy. Study seems to show that self-driving trucks are very close to being on the roads full time, and that that's going to be the first one, and they're going to be there. So if you were scared of self-driving cars, well, self-driving trucks are going to be there soon. Very interesting numbers and very surprising numbers. So, wondering how fast the April 2018 update is rolling out? According to AdDuplex, already 50% of Windows 10 PCs have the April 2018 update added or installed. That is an amazing rate. That is an amazing push. And it might explain why there's a higher rate of problems reported. It's pushing out so fast that maybe a lot more people are complaining. But still, that's crazy fast. Much faster than any previous version of Windows. And we're wondering why Microsoft is actually going so fast with this upgrade. And finally, if you're an insider, well, or if you were an insider and moved yourself off of the insider program with the April 2018 update, well, the insiders that opted to stay on the stable channel, meaning that they've upgraded to April 2018 and stayed there, are quite a lot, as the insiders dropped from 0.8% of Windows 10 users last month to only 0.2% this month. A lot of people just removed themselves from the insider preview, it seems. And this was the Tech News Update for Wednesday, May the 30th, 2018. You enjoy our videos? Please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.